So in this video, we'll be talking on how to make money on Jumia affiliate. So I know for certain that for so many African YouTubers, you get to make money from affiliate links on your channels, either from Amazon affiliate or some other affiliate links or platforms. But what about the local platforms like Jumia, Konga and all? Do you make money from those ones? I'm telling you, it's just to maximize the way you make money on your channel. Jumia has an affiliate program known as Jumia KOL, and it is available in about 6 different African countries: Nigeria, Egypt, I think Kenya and others. Okay, let's dive into how it's being done.
The first step is to type Jumia affiliate on your browser. So when you type that, you get the first one is what you click on. First one you see. So it gets you to this place where you have to sign in or sign up. So you click on sign up because you don't have an account yet. So you have to fill this form. So in the part where you're supposed to put your website, you put your YouTube channel link, or you put the website. If you're not using YouTube, put your website link in that place. Then check the agree and then click on the button. So they will send you a mail which you're supposed to verify. So you open your mail and click on verify email address. Then after verifying, you get to this point, okay, where you just have to log in. Okay, immediately after verifying, you have to put in your login details. So that's how I got to this particular point. If you're having issues with it, you can drop a comment below and then I'll put you through. Then you go to support. Support is where you see the details about how the commission works. So you see the different percentage on each individual item. You get to see the percentage available for each item that you sell. Okay, so but I think the highest you could get is 10% commission. Okay, I think, and that's almost the same thing with Amazon affiliates, 10%. So you just make sure you go through the whole commission scheme. Then the next thing you want to check is the advertising. How do we get to advertise these links? So we have offers and then we have custom links. So offers basically is if you want to post random links on your website or on any website though, so you just get random links of any product, so you click on offers. But if you want a specific one, like for your camera or for your mic or anything, you have to choose custom links, so you get to choose the product you want to advertise. Okay, so you click on it and then click on Jumia e-commerce. You see different African countries. You see there are about 12 here. So if you're using your phone, just open another tab in your browser and then type jumia.com whatever African country you are in. So you get to see the Jumia website itself. This is where you can search for the item you want to put the link on your channel. So go back to the other tab, select your country, then you can see web page URL. This is the URL of the product or the item. Okay, so you go back, you search the particular item you want to advertise. This is a mic, a BOYA mic. Okay, so let's say this is what I want my subscribers to purchase, the one I use. Make sure you're only putting link for the product you used. Okay, don't put link for any random product you've not tested or you've not used. Okay, so you copy the link up there. That's the link for the product. Then you paste it here. Please, if you didn't get it, you can move back, take the video back. So once you click on the web page URL, you see the advertising link will come out. The link you can just post on your channel, but don't post that link, it's quite long, so I'll show you how to shorten it. So sub affiliate ID, you can put anything there, it's just an ID. You can put your name, just put Emmanuel or something else, something random. Okay, it must not be, you can put something random in sub affiliate ID. Then your channel, You can put the channel, means which channel you're advertising it in. Is it on YouTube? Is it on your website? Is it on Twitter? So it's just the channel where you're putting the link. Then the tracking tag is basically the name of the item or the name of the product, so that you know the product that the link is for. So that's what that particular one is. So you can now copy the link. So after registering for the app.bitly, you click on create to create a shortening link. Click on link, then you see where you paste that long URL you copied originally. So you copy it again, go to that tab. If you've not already copied it, copy it, then go back and paste that long URL. You can see how long it is, so you can't be posting this on your YouTube channel or on your website. So you put the title, you just change the title. If you want, you can just put it as BOYA, BMY, something short. Then here we want to customize the link, okay, to look unique. We don't want to use this random link. You can see how the link looks like bit.ly/something. So we want to customize it to something unique. So I put my YouTube channel name SC Cyber Safe, then BOYA M1 Mic, so that they will know it's from me. Then you click on shorten. So that's it. Just click on copy. After shortening it, click on copy. Please, if this video is too fast for you, can just take it back and see the steps. So once you click on copy, you can go ahead and go and post it on your channel. So this app.bitly.com is where you monitor all the traffic, all the clicks that happened on that link, okay, on the YouTube channel. You can see if people have clicked on the link and all. You can always monitor it through this place, or even on Jumia itself. Okay, so you can go back, click on offers, or click on reports, conversion reports. This is just basically about details about the conversion, how many people have clicked it, how many times they clicked it. You see those details here, the commission rate you got per item and everything. You see everything in this particular place. For invoice report, so if you've made any transaction, if you've withdrawn money before, everything will be in this invoice report. That's what invoice report is. So don't forget to go back to your account details and fill every information, your street address, the right street address, the postcode, your city. Make sure you fill those details correctly, because it's important for you to fill them to get paid. If you don't fill the right thing, you might as well forfeit your earnings. So make sure you fill the right thing, the right country and all. Okay, so you submit it. Once you're done, see, just put the right thing. Make sure they are the same. Put the full address. Don't just put the location. Put the full address where you stay. Then it goes to payout details. You select bank transfer. Okay, you put your bank name, your bank account name, what you are using fully. You put it. You put your account number. You can leave that Swift BIC. There's nothing like, you don't need that. So you put your currency, that's Naira, and then you confirm. It's very easy.
So thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you've seen how it's been done. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon to get notified when we upload new content. We talk on online safety, digital safety, and also expose the latest scams and trades. And with few times, we just get to enlighten you on what you should know as a YouTuber. Okay, so thank you, and we'll see you next time. Remember to stay safe.